today, we have an extra right here beside me, my son. Ayaw niya umalis kasi naglalaro daw siya. So, we have no choice. Ayun. So, I'm very excited to share with you my interview with the Gutierrez, especially sa tatlong babae nila, which is the hot mama, Sarah Labati, sorry na bulol like me. I'm so hot. And Miss Philippines, Rufa Gutierrez. Pwede na ba? Pwede ako mag-beauty queen with my sexy body. And syempre, mga dung at day, ang kanilang matriarch, Miss Annabelle Rama. So, sana nakikita nyo na excited ako kasi this is a very rare opportunity na makausap, ma-interview, and makita kung ano yung laman ng kanilang bag for that special evening. So, mga dung at day, let's tune in. Miss Sarah.
I think there's only 2 items.
Dami kasi malalagay dyan.
Oo nga eh.
My phone, there's space, and my lip liner. That's it.
What bag are you using?
This is Arañas.
Wow. Thank you.
Kasi may YouTube channel. May YouTube channel.
Can I see it? Can I see it? Oh, there.
Cash lang. Ang bariya-bariya na lang nag-iwan. 20 pesos pa. Oh, may 20 pesos pa yung bag ko. Oh, see? Oh, at least alam namin ngayon, may cash ka sa bag.
Thank you, Miss Rufa. Yan. What's your bag, ma'am? What you're wearing ngayon na bag?
Givenchy.
Wow.
Antigona.
Wow. What's inside it, ma'am? Pwede bang ma-open natin?
Okay. Grabe naman, guys.
Sorry na, madam, ha? Wow. Chanel. Wow. Oh. What's your wallet, ma'am?
LV.
Wow. And what's
Guts. Richard, Guts.
Wow. And marami pong papel. Okay na, ma'am. Nilabas mo pala ka.
Yan na, guys. Oh, yan na.
Salamat po. Ano guys, nakita nyo ba kung ano nga sa loob ng bag nila? Di ba ang weird? Si Rufa, ang laman ng bag, money. Eh, natutuwa siya, may 20 pesos siya dun sa pera niya. Well, Sarah naman, medyo kaunti yung laman ng bag kasi liit din ang bag niya. Tapos naman, si Mother Annabelle, nakakaloka ang laman ng bag at may cellphone na may goma. Saka nakakita, di ba? Sobrang realistic talaga. Kaya mas nakakatuwa pagka nag-spot talaga tayo ng bag ng mga artista na hindi nila alam. Na as in talagang totally na on the spot na pag tinanong mo and then pumayag sila. Sobrang nakakatuwa din yung feeling na gano'n na nakita mo kung ano yung nasa loob ng bags nila. So, yun lang for today guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo as much as I enjoyed interviewing them. And hopefully soon, marami pa akong ma-feature ng mga artista na katulad ko. Nakatulad niya, si Dennis Trillo. Kikilig siya. Ayun, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Makikita nyo yun after nitong video. And then, yun. See you guys every Friday at 2 PM. Bye! So, for today, ako may hawak ng camera. So, i-raffle na namin today ang ating winner for our Asian Secret for our Asian Secret giveaway. So, ayan, si Kwek, hinahalo na yung mga names. So, Kwek, lapit kang konti. Yan. Bubunutin na po niya kung sino yung winner. Kwek, you pick one. Yan, okay. May dramatic effect pa. Yan. That's the lucky winner. Basahin mo. Agad? Wow, congrats, Mark Balibago Magno. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to follow me. Bye-bye!